Hi guys, this is Jack from Innovation Justice. Today I am going to show you how to hack the HackTheBox Mischief machine. Let me start. First I am going to log in with the HackTheBox machine. If you don't know the invite code, you have to first get an invite code and register. Then only you can get access from HackTheBox. If you don't know how to get the invite code, you can't even hack any single machine in HackTheBox machines. Okay, what happened with this one? Everything is okay, but something is a problem with my internet, I think so. Okay, everything is fine. Let me log in. Yeah, many people are using the HackTheBox. Okay, the machine was retired. Mischief, yeah, Mischief. Okay. Yeah, IP address is 10.10.10.92. I didn't get a username and root also. Trickster. Okay, is the machine maker. Okay, and also it's a writes up also available, but only VIP user get a write up. Okay, I have already connect with OpenVPN, HackTheBox OpenVPN. Let me start with the NMAP. I have already run the NMAP -SUV IP address. We got SNMP port, and also there is a SSH port also open. In SNMP enumeration, it's a filter port. That's why I didn't get with the -TA-A option. I tried with this one. We got SSH port only, but that scan we didn't get a 161. Only UDP scan we will get a 161 port open. Let me enumerate with the SNMP enumeration. There is some tool called SNMP check and SNMPWalk. Those two different tools we can able to enumerate the SNMP. I am using SNMPWalk to enumerate this one. SNMPWalk. Okay, first Kali Linux default we have SNMP tool. If you use different OS like Parrot or different, you have to install SNMPWalk tool. Okay, SNMP we use -V and -C community. V for version is the SNMP version is 2C, and community is public, and the IP address is 10.10.10.92. Okay, it will take more than half an hour to get this username and password. It's enumerating something. If anyone enter the username or something like that, we will get username and password, but it takes too much time. I have already done this enumeration, and also I saved this file. Let me show you this one. Unless I just tried with the 2 times. First time I didn't get any username and password. I just wait more than hour. I didn't get any username and password, and then I tried to try again with a different name. I got a username and password. Let me show this one. Okay, yeah, here we say they run the something Python, I think so, Python simple server. The port is 3366. Username is loki. Password is something else. Okay, let me copy this one. I think they run the HTTP server 3366 port. Let me go to the port. Okay, we got some login page. Let me enter the password. Okay, yeah, here we see a bunch of username and password. First one is we already entered, second one is we didn't enter this password. Maybe that one is for a different credential, but I have no idea what is this picture. Let me go to the source code. Okay, I think I got nothing, but in HackTheBox form tab they said SNMP IP version 6 enumeration, because they did something in as IP version 6. Maybe we have to find the IP version 6. I think it's a tricky. I don't know about this one. Maybe the creator is tricky 0. I think he write the enumeration script also in GitHub. Nothing is there. Let me go to the SNMP IP version 6 enumeration. Okay. Yeah, here we see this is the creator. He write the script also. Just clone this script. It will enumerate and get this IP address of the victim machine, IP version 6 IP address. I have already done this, clone this file. Python nyx and okay, if you see, I think so. And v2c, it's not working. Not working. I think I just entered the wrong command. I think so. Okay, we have to SMP version and community string. Maybe 1 and 1 or 2c are public. I think so. Community string. You see public. Yeah. Here do we see we got IP version 6 IP address. Yeah, this is the IP version 6 of the victim IP. Just copy. Just run the nmap script also. nmap -6 for IP version 6. Yeah, here do we see the victim have 22 and 80 port is open. First, I have to edit the host file, because if we run this IP version 6 in our browser, it won't go to the HTTP server. It just go to the Google server only. Let me show you this one also. Just go. I have already enabled, but I just wrongly enabled this one. I will show you that IP also, that IP version 6 IP. Just copy this IP address. See, it's automatically going to the Google server only. We have to edit this one. Yeah, that is different Mac, different IP version 6 IP. Sorry. Okay. Okay, let me run this mischief.htp. It's not working. Yeah, I think it's working. Yeah. Here we got some login page, but we don't know the username and password, but we got some username and password also. Loki create something else. Just copy this and paste this one. Loki password. Oh, it's not working. Maybe I just tried with the other thing. Admin, same password, not working. Maybe I just tried with the administrator. Yeah, we got login access, but here we see the it's a command execution panel. We can able to execute something else also, and also if we execute our reverse shell, we get a shell also. Just go to the Python reverse shell. Just copy the pentest monkey script. Okay, we have to edit the script also. First we have to find our IP version 6 IP. Okay, this is my IP version 6 and C-6, I think so. Yeah, hyphen 6 is IP version 6. Okay. Not LNVP. Okay. IP version 6 is listening. Let me edit the IP address and the script also. The query, not a script. Here we see the AF hyphen NET hyphen. Just add the 6 because it's IP version 6. And just edit the IP address to our IP address. Okay, just execute. Here we see we got access. Am I? Yeah, we got access. Maybe I should get with the shell. This one is not good. I have to go with bash shell. That's why I'm using Python script. Python-c import pty pty.spam or bin bash. Okay. Yeah, we get access. Yep. Let me go to the folder called home. Loki. Here do we see we got some credential and something else. Just copy this credential. Maybe we can use this also. User.txt. We can't able to open user.txt. Let's copy this credential and open with the Loki. Maybe we have to try this one also. Just copy this credential. Just log in with the SSH. Maybe we should try with the login with SSH. Loki at 10 password is that one. Yeah, we got access. Loki access. Okay, user access. Okay, cd ls cat username. Yeah, we got a user.txt. Just copy this one. User. Okay, we got a user. Next is step is we have to find the root sudo. Here this user don't have sudo access. Maybe I should find anything with bash history. ls-la. Just copy this one. Here we is also they run some Python script. There is also some password. Okay, just copy this password. Just check with SU. This user don't have a SU permission here. Okay, we got root access. Here we see, yeah, my god, we got root access. Easily we got a root access. Let me go to the root. Get root.txt. We got root.txt also. The problem is the flag is not there. We have to get a shell, then only sorry, we will find it and we have to do this. This part you have to find the root.txt file. You can use a find option to get the file. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.